Hello there, good morning. Welcome to Morning Tips. Today is Saturday, the 16th of December 2022, and Christmas is around the corner, so we are trying to raise some money to enjoy our holiday. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in Saudi Arabia Premier League, where Al Ettifaq is taking on Al Tawun, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game I have is in Italy Serie C, where AS Gianna Emi, Eminio is taking on AC Renat, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game I have is in Israel Premier League, where FC Ashud is taking on Apoel Jerusalem, and my prediction is over 2 goals at full time. The next game I have is in Scotland Championship, where AYR is taking on Adrian's FC, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. As you know, in this channel we have shared tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different markets, from how to predict full-time draw, half-time draw, both team to score, overs and under, and so on. So you want to learn how to predict football match on your own, kindly check those videos out on this channel, and then learn to catch fish by yourself. Moving on, also we have shared tutorial video on how to make money through sport arbitrage. If you want to learn how arbitrage work, kindly check this channel. I'll also leave the link of that video in the comment section and also in the description of this video, and you will watch and learn and catch out daily. Moving on, the next game we have is in England National League North, where Spennymoor Town is taking on Buxton, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game we have is still in that National League, that is the amateur league in England, where Havant and Waterloo is taking on Taunton Town, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join us and win daily, where we share with you short 2 hours on daily basis, and also 5 to 15 hours, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and join our premium service, where we give you a sure us on daily basis. It's a VIP service, premium service. The subscription is quite affordable for everyone to afford. So I'll see you on the VIP section if you are interested in winning daily. Okay, next game we have is in Spanish La Liga 2, where Deportivo Eldense is taking on Racing Santander, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next game I have is in Thailand Division 1, where Uthai Thani FC is taking on Lamphun Warriors, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. This game gives us a total of 68 odds, so you can as well share this game into 3 different tickets, and that will give you um, at least 3 matches per ticket, and that will give you a total of five odds each. So you can as well do that and also stake them accumulation. Thank you for staying tuned. I will see you on our next video tomorrow.